Increasing views on YouTube can be a challenging but achievable goal. There are various strategies you can employ to improve your YouTube channel's visibility and attract more viewers. Here are some effective tips to help you increase your views, create high-quality content. Focus on producing engaging, informative, and entertaining videos that cater to your target audience's interests. Make sure your content is well-researched, well-edited, and provides value to viewers. Optimize video titles and descriptions. Use descriptive and compelling titles that accurately represent the content of your video. Include relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions to improve your video's visibility in search results. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Create visually appealing thumbnails that accurately represent the content of your videos. A compelling thumbnail can significantly improve click-through rates and attract more viewers to your videos. Implement SEO techniques. Conduct keyword research to identify popular search terms related to your video content. Use these keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to optimize your videos for search engines. Promote your videos on social media. Share your YouTube videos on various social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers and encourage them to share your content with their networks. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborate with other creators in your niche to tap into their audiences and expand your reach. Cross-promotion can be an effective way to increase your channel's visibility and attract new viewers. Engage with your audience. Encourage viewer engagement by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and creating a sense of community on your channel. Building a loyal fan base can lead to increased views and improved viewer retention. Post consistently. Develop a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and informed. Consistent and predictable content releases can help you build a dedicated audience over time. Analyze and adapt. Use YouTube analytics to track the performance of your videos and identify trends in viewer behavior. Adjust your content strategy based on these insights to improve your video performance and increase views over time. Consider advertising. Utilize YouTube's advertising options, such as TrueView ads or display ads, to reach a broader audience and promote your videos to users who may be interested in your content. By implementing these strategies, you can increase your YouTube views and grow your channel's audience over time. Remember that building a successful YouTube channel often requires patience, persistence, and dedication to creating high-quality, engaging content. Thanks for watching.